Hey guys! What's the first name that pops to your mind when I say streaming movies? I bet most of you probably said Netflix. In the past few years, Netflix proved that the audience is no longer interested in downloading movies. They simply want to watch them with a single button click. And that only shows that on-demand content is the future. So in today's episode, we'll talk about how to run a streaming business like Netflix. First of all, you need to decide on what content you want to give to the world. When we say website like Netflix, we don't specifically imply that you should only stream popular movies and TV series. We even suggest you look towards different types of content like education, esports, or fitness themes. Platforms that stream niche-specific, knowledge-based videos will become more popular in the near future. Nowadays, education is becoming a mandatory requirement for steady personal growth, and in modern societies, the ability to get new knowledge is a vital characteristic for career success. A very essential part when it comes to streaming is the storage space. So the larger content library you want to offer, the more space you would need. We might refer to this as the video hosting part. So operating with lots of giga and terabytes is actually a must. And if you don't want to invest in buying your own servers, we suggest you rent the space. This way, you can host your videos in the cloud and simply embed them on your website, keeping the high-speed performance. Another important issue for video on demand is the need of a video streaming protocol. Most video files aren't designed for streaming. A video streaming protocol is a standardized delivery method for breaking up video into chunks, sending it to the viewer, and reassembling it. And the most commonly used protocol is the RTMP, Real-Time Messaging Protocol. Yet another important part of running your own Netflix-like website is how you will monetize your business. Netflix, for example, offers a subscription-based solution that gives you access to all the content available on the platform. The other very popular payment option is the pay-per-view model, where you pay for a specific video or live stream. There are special all-in-one platforms that might come very handy with the technical part of setting up your streaming video website. As the title suggests, all-in-one means that you can find all the features you need in a single place. One such platform is StreamingVideoProvider. It will serve you perfectly when it comes to server storage space, because with the premium package you get 4,000 gigabytes of bandwidth, which is about 12,000 hours of viewing time, and 600 gigabytes of storage space. You can also add pay-per-view tickets to your videos or set up monthly, yearly, and custom subscription types. There are various payment methods that you can use like PayPal, Stripe, debit or credit card, or even set your own payment gateway with the API. Streaming Video Provider also comes with a very high level of security. There are a number of advanced security features to ensure your content cannot be downloaded or accessed by unauthorized viewers, leaving you in full control over the video delivery and distribution. That was all for today, guys. Now you know what are the steps to create your own VOD website, so Netflix, prepare for some competition. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.